Here we are at 33 Robbins, coming through the back gate. Okay, we have a backyard to share with the tenants on the main floor. They're a couple. Basement is all inclusive, heat, hydro, gas included. Newly renovated, newly put in. We have full-size oven, exhaust, dishwasher, fridge, washer dryer, closet here. Pocket door into the bedroom. Double or queen bed can fit in here. Pocket door into the bathroom. This door is to the utility room. Hello. All freshly tiled. And nice and bright.